Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about today is about the principles. Those are essentially the IDs. We see them in every blockchain. They basically uniquely identify the account, the owner. And there are two types that you commonly see, which is this is the Motoko Playground here. And I'm going to talk about this little example because it took me a little bit to get this actually installed, figure out exactly what it wanted. But notice the ID, the installer is the principal ID. So that's like, if we've seen CID, we've seen different IDs of the wallet canisters. That's the wallet program, if you will, that installed the canister. The argument is the principal that you passed in there, and who am I is the person who actually is calling it. So theoretically you can have three different things here. So we're going to reinstall it again for the probably umpteenth time. And I'm just going to say reinstall. And it's going to compile the code. It's going to deploy the code. And you can see what the canister name, and we've seen this before. So the argument is what we put in. The ID is the principal identifier of the canister. So that's this. The installer is the wallet where it came from. And who am I, so we get out of that, should be the who's calling it. So this is how you do it from the playground. Now I had to play around quite a bit to get this to work with the on the command line. And as you can see, I tried all kinds of things. I was getting all kinds of error, it wouldn't recognize it. Here's the thing. And this should have been like a huge clue to me, but what can I say? You have to have, this is the syntax if you're deploying and passing a principal in there. So now this should work, like any, just like the other one did. So you can see, let me have a look here and try to refresh myself here. All right. So this is where you do your DFS canister call. DFX canister call. And we have, let's see, the name of this is, of course, who am I? And you can do who am I? That's the method. That was the, let's see. We should be able to use the name Oh, it may be, who am I? There we go. And this is going to go off, and okay, I probably, yeah, it's should just be, what, who am I? There we go. So DFX canister call, and then you call the name of the canister and the name of the method. So you can do the same thing. You can do ID. So you see it works the same. But the key thing here is understanding how you pass arguments to DFX. And this is what was driving me nuts. So, hopefully this has cleared some stuff up for you. If it's been helpful, please give a like. Please subscribe to the channel to get further, and ring the bell to get further videos. Please share it with a friend. And remember, I have my reports available. All the links are down below. And that'll also get, if you sign up with your email, you'll also get a little weekly newsletter, which will hopefully provide useful information. So anyway, I will speak to you next time. Take care.